How are volcanoes created? A volcano is formed by the four layers of the earth. The crust, which is about 14 degrees Celsius, the mantle, which is about 1000 degrees Celsius, the outer core, which is around 55,000 degrees Celsius, and the last layer in the earth is the inner core, which is 5,200 degrees Celsius. Our volcano is the most southern active volcano in the world. The mantle is the second layer that makes the convection current that moves magma, rocks, and the crust, and can make volcanoes if the crust diverges. It can make a volcano like the Everest volcano, which was made by the crust diverging, making a rift in the crust.
Plate tectonic theory. The volcano that we are currently studying is not associated with any type of tectonic plates, but we caused instead by divergent rift. The volcano is Intrepid that lies in the divergent rift of the crust of the earth that's been slowly stretched out to create the volcano which is currently active. Plate tectonic theory is the explanation of the Earth's crust and many associated phenomena result of the interaction of British
lithosphere
plates, which slowly move over the underlying mantle. It is a
stratovolcano.
Stratovolcano. The bottom half is a shield and the top half is a
A strathcona.
Divergent rifts. When the Earth's crust stretches out and makes a thinner layer, over time it is called a divergent rift. A divergent rift is created by the convection current in the mantle is diverging and affecting the crust, making a volcano. A divergent rift is when the mantle diverges its current, stretching the crust of the Earth. It will thin out to the point when hot rock in the mantle reaches through the thinned out crust, which creates volcanoes like the volcano we are studying. The Erebus volcano is rarely been visited within the last 100 years only by scientists.
That made the volcano. The temperature of the volcano's summit has an average temperature of around -20 degrees in the summer and -50 degrees in the winter. The events that were responsible for creating the specific volcano were not the tectonic plates having grinded against each other, but instead it was because of the continuous stretching of the Earth's crust that happened. As the crust stretched out, it began to move out of the way so that magma will spill out, and after a long period of time it will gradually start to form into a volcano to relieve the pressure from the magma. Although rarely being visited within the past few hundred years, Erebus is still the biggest and most active volcano that is in Antarctica.
Eiffel's gang.